Hey everyone, in today's video I just wanted to quickly give you an update on my Merch by Amazon product. So let me show you exactly what happened. Okay, so last time you remember I submitted my cats and we wanted to see if the issue was because the title was wrong because the title was there was a grumpy cat in the title, and I received a warning saying that it was a copyright infringement and they didn't approve it. And then I told you I was going to resubmit the design, but I would change the title and see if that was just the issue, if it was the actual design or if it was just the title. So let's go to my profile and see. As you can see, I submitted the cats again. Um, this is still processing. These two just changed the title and it was approved and it's now live. So as you can see, it was just the title. So as long as the title is not doesn't have any famous name or it's not a copyright infringement, you'll be fine. If the design is similar to, I don't know, a superhero or anything famous, just like tweak it a little bit, add something on it so it makes it your own, and then you shouldn't have any issue. Then I wanted to show you different websites that you could use for your designs. So you could check this website, which is Vexels, Vexels.com. If you don't know how to design whatsoever, you could try them out. They already have designs that are ready to use. And you really can do some cool designs with the ones they're offering you. There's a membership, and I believe the membership is like $20 per month. I didn't sign up yet, but let's check it out. Yeah, it's $21 per month if you take a monthly, $29 per month if it's a monthly membership. If you take the annual one, it would come up to $21. But anyways, that's only if you really don't know how to create a cool design, and if you want to take the easy way and you have a little bit of spare money where you can buy a membership to just pick whatever design you want. That's there. What you can do as well, you could always go to Fiverr. You could go to Fiverr, as I said, and you can pay, $5. I mean, it's in Canadian dollars, so it's a little bit more expensive here. But you could literally ask someone to do it for you. Like this guy is doing it for that price, and is even giving you the description, which is pretty cool. This one, same thing. It will do a little bit more research from what I can see for that price. But you can check this here. You probably can find some people who would design for you on Upwork as well. Let's go check it out. Okay, so this is on Upwork. You can find some graphic designer or fashion designers. Over here, I mean, these people are probably a little bit more expensive than the ones on Fiverr, but they probably have more experience as well. So if you want something top notch, maybe this is the best option. But again, that's only if you do not want to do it yourself, because you always can use Canva if you want to do it. You can use Vexels if you want to have a cheaper option, because that would literally just be $29 per month or $21 per month, and you already have some cool designs. You just need to tweak some of them, and that's pretty much it. That would be the second option. I mean, first option I would go to Canva, then this is the second option. Third option, I would maybe pick that and try with like a cheaper gig and see how it goes. And then if you want something exceptional, why not go on Upwork and hire a graphic designer. And that's about it for this video. So you know that if you have a copyright infringement, make sure it's not only in the title, and if it's not in the title, it's like if your design looks like exactly a famous logo or anything like that, just tweak it, change it up, so it's different than the original version, and they can't say anything about that then. And that's it for the video. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope this was helpful for some of you guys. If it was, please give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you a new video fairly shortly. See you guys.